P. Ravindranath, senior IPS officer, submitted his resignation letter to the Chief Secretary on Tuesday. Ravindranath claimed he was pained by the apathy shown towards his request to set up a protection cell as per Rule 8 of SC/ST, Prevention of Atrocities Rules 1995. He said in the letter, "Further, I was prematurely transferred without any public interest. It was just to harass me since I have taken legal action against people involved in the fake caste certificate issue."
Karnataka has a very big history that the law has to be protected, and we have very senior bureaucrats here. Don't compare Karnataka to other states. I don't want to comment on their administration also. We have a separate CRE cell. We wanted to protect 24% of the population, the scheduled caste, scheduled tribe. We want to give them justice. Here there are about more than 1,097 cases which has been registered, where investigation are still going on. And one honorable minister has taken a certificate, though he is born in Maharashtra. He is in backward class there, and in Karnataka he is in SC. He has come from there, he has contested election, now he is a minister.
Who is it?
Mr. Prabhu Chauhan is a minister. So the court has given a direction within 3 months or whatever the date has been fixed. You have to finalize. But till today, no finalization taken place. Number 2 is the political secretary to the Honorable Chief Minister. He is also a cabinet rank status. So he also has admitted on record, yes, I have taken, but I have not used it. This officer has given notice to everyone. All the 1,097 of them have been given. Various tahsildars are there, various other officers also there, revenue inspector. A lot of them have taken this certificate, and big investigation as to it is on the way. In the meantime, after issuing a notice to very senior people on this ministry, he has been threatened and he has been shifted out. So he has met the Chief Secretary, submitted. I asked for a separate, this one has to be done as per the Act, whatever he has quoted a section also.
Rule 8.
Under the Rule 8. So he has tendered his resignation. My appeal is that first let the Chief Minister drop those ministers, 2 cabinet status ministers who have taken the certificate. It is a crime. Number 2, allow the officer to continue and let it get justice. It is not a very fancy post or a very big creative chair which he is occupying. It is working. He is also himself also a Dalit. We know him, a very emotional man. But still, Karnataka needs such type of officers. So you should not accept his resignation. Allow him to continue there. Put him on the same seat. Let us all wait for some big investigation which is doing, and let justice prevail upon this.
Home Minister, while speaking to us, he said that he haven't received any resignation of any officers, and if at all, if some allegations are there, they can go to the senior officer and then they can complain.
No IAS officer or a senior, they will not go to Home Minister or any minister. That means the Home Minister doesn't know the system itself. They are only accountable to the Chief Secretary. Chief Secretary is the head of the executive. He has rightly went to the Chief Secretary and written his resignation and given. You should know that what pressure is there. So I think media friends also have shown his letter to all of us. It has been circulated, and I think the first option of the Chief Minister is to seek the resignation or dismiss both of them who are enjoying the status, who have taken the law into their hands, who has misused the law with their power.